But I'm just going to demonstrate to you how quick and easy it is to mix up Ecocool. So you take your bottle of Ecocool, give it a little shake just to loosen the powder, pop the top off. Then you've got to remove the seal, so you turn the cap over, break the seal, remove that. Okay. And then we, about 2/3, fill this with water, just normal tap water. Then we pop the top back on. Give it a good shake. Next what we're going to do is we're going to top the bottle up to those 3 arrows there. So we take the lid off again. Pop some more water in up to those arrows. Drop more. Pop the top back on. Give it a bit more of a shake. Okay, and when you've done that, just pop that in an applicator and that'll treat 100 tons. Rinse the bottle out, and then when you've done that, put the cap back on and pop it straight in the recycling bin.